Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing healthy weight loss with Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers is a popular weight loss program that focuses on making healthy food choices and incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. Are you ready to transform your body and improve your health? Check out the exclusive way to lose weight fast that we've shared in the description below. It's a proven method that can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Don't wait any longer to take control of your health and wellness. Click the link in the description to learn more. One of the best things about Weight Watchers is that it's not a restrictive diet. Instead, it focuses on making healthier choices and finding a balance that works for you. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, as long as you stay within your daily points allowance. Another benefit of Weight Watchers is the community aspect. You can attend in-person meetings or join online communities where you can connect with others on a similar journey. Having that support system can make all the difference in your weight loss journey. When it comes to healthy weight loss with Weight Watchers, there are a few tips that can help you succeed. First, focus on eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. These are low in points but high in nutrients, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Another tip is to plan ahead. Meal prep can be a lifesaver when it comes to sticking to your points allowance. Set aside some time each week to plan out your meals and snacks, and make sure you have plenty of healthy options on hand. Finally, don't forget about physical activity. Weight Watchers encourages members to find an activity they enjoy and make it a regular part of their routine. Whether it's walking, yoga, or weightlifting, moving your body is important for overall health and weight loss. So, there you have it, guys. Healthy weight loss with Weight Watchers is possible, and it doesn't have to be a difficult or restrictive journey. Remember to focus on making healthy choices, plan ahead, and incorporate physical activity into your routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Are you ready to transform your body and improve your health? If so, check out the exclusive way to lose weight fast that we've shared in the description below. It's a proven method that can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Don't wait any longer to take control of your health and wellness. Click the link in the description to learn more.